In this video I want to show you how to connect Rola token to metamask account. First go to Google Chrome and search rola.ai. And copy contract address. And go to metamask account.
Holy moly, moly, moly.
Make sure the network is Polygon. And next click import token. Custom token. And paste here Rola token contract address.
Holy moly, moly, moly.
Click import. Click Rola. And click receive to copy the address.
Holy moly, moly, moly.
And go to Rola account. Click Edit Profile. Edit Wallet.
Holy moly, moly, moly.
Paste here your Rola address token. And click Save.
Holy moly, moly, moly.
Thank you for watching. See you soon to next video.